range. We got the Dan Wesson DWX Kimber 2K11, the Bull Armory Ultralight Pro, bunch of ammo. What we got over here?
We got the Mac 5 MP5 clone.
Oh yeah, I know y'all drooling.
Then the Fusion Firearms, yet again. We got the first Mac DS with the Underworld arms.
Y'all better stop playing with them.
Then we got the Comp Mac. Then we got the special of the day, the Comp MP with the Apex trigger.
With Apex, okay.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Alright, what we got over here, brother?
Let's see, we got the Ghost, the round extended mag, got the Ruger Easy Slide
Stop
22.
shooting that little shit. Alright.
And of course, special.
Is that the one with the super safe?
Super safe trigger. I'm playing with her a little bit today.
We about to have some fun. So we doing something a little different this time. Me and my brother said we're gonna come out here and pick 3 guns of each other's collection, and that's what we're gonna shoot. So these are the 3 guns my brother wanted to shoot in my collection. So let's see. I know this is gonna be one of them.
Bonus.
That's a bonus.
Yeah.
That's cool. Let's see what I definitely want you. All right. Go ahead and take this one as well. We're gonna mac it out today. What else? Ooh, she looks pretty. Let's do that one. Them 3 right there. We good to go.
Fusion, both Macs.
Fusion and both Macs. All right.
The Mac 5. Yeah, the MP5 clone.
Okay. God damn, boy.
Not that bitch. You know, gentle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Burger King hat on. I'm fucking done.
The
King is here. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
The King is here. The fuck?
I don't think
Range day turn into this when you start bringing people in. Look at this. Look at this. The brothers is hanging out, and we gonna about to have some fun.
He going in the vault.
You know he is. This is what happens when the brothers get together.
He still got.
Damn. Damn, this brings back memories. metal comp.
Full Armory Ultralight Pro. Fire nose. Very nice. Damn, are you mad?
Why? Did I hit something?
Thank you.
Alright, yeah, let's do this. Dan Wesson, DWX, compact. Yeah.
Damn. Are you mad?
Yes.
What's your thoughts on the Dan Wesson DWX?
Oh, beautiful trigger pull. Reset is quick. Love it. Return to zero is nice. I can run it.
Alright, hey, let's check out this shirt you got. Sun's out, guns out.
Look at that. Yeah. The new trigger.
Got the Smith & Wesson comp.
Metal.
It's the metal. Alright, let's see what she do. Got a jam?
Trigger nice.
I ain't not sighted in. I just got that optic moved.
I like the trigger on it though.
Yeah, adds to it.
Yeah, I do like this. I do like it.
This right here is the Mossberg 930 JM Pro Tactical. This is my baby. I love my baby. Ah. She don't love you. Oh God, that was beautiful.
I expect you to move.
Bull Armory. Oh, you gonna go over that? It's the Bull Armory Ultralight Pro with the V6 ports.
Hey, what just happened? Alright, he got the Bull Armory Ultralight Pro. That's a Dan Wesson.